Are you tired of missing the bottom? What if you could spot the exact moment the next massive crypto rally begins? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to tokens.fye. Today, we are diving deep into the data to identify 7 unmistakable crypto bull run signals that historically predict a parabolic move. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional framework to distinguish a fake out from a real trend reversal. We've been tracking blockchain cycles and the growth of the TX ecosystem to help you navigate the volatile waters of DeFi. Signal 1 and 2, macro liquidity and Bitcoin dominance. First, watch the global liquidity. When central banks pivot and money starts flowing back into risk assets, crypto is the first to react. Second, keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. Typically, Bitcoin leads the charge, and once it plateaus, capital rotates into altcoins, sparking the true alt season. If you're tracking these cycles, I highly recommend checking out the deep dive analysis over at coherencedaddy.com. Signal 3 and 4, on-chain accumulation and exchange reserves. Signal number 3 is whale accumulation. When we see massive amounts of BTC and ETH leaving exchanges and moving into cold storage, it means the big players are preparing for a long-term hold. Fourth, look at exchange reserves. Low supply on exchanges creates a liquidity crunch. When demand spikes, prices rocket upward because there's nothing left to sell. This is exactly why we focus on the TX ecosystem. It's about understanding where the actual value is migrating on-chain. Signal 5 and 6, the DeFi explosion and mainstream integration. Fifth, watch the total value locked, or TVL, in DeFi protocols. A surge in locked assets usually precedes a price rally as utility increases. Sixth, look for the narrative shift. Whether it's AI tokens or the expansion of the TX ecosystem, when a new, scalable use case captures the public imagination, the bull run is in full swing. You can find more resources on these emerging trends at toe-kins.fye. Signal 7, the retail euphoria indicator. Finally, Signal 7 is the most famous, retail euphoria. When people who have never owned a coin start asking you how to buy crypto, you know the momentum is peak. While this is a late-stage signal, it confirms that the bull market has reached the masses. The key is to buy when the signals are quiet and sell when the noise is loudest. We've covered macro liquidity and BTC dominance. We analyzed on-chain whale movements and exchange reserves. We looked at DeFi growth and the impact of the TX ecosystem. In 2026, the winners won't be those who gamble, but those who watch the signals and act with conviction. If you want to master the markets, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fye community. Smash the like button if this breakdown helped you clear the noise. Which of these 7 signals are you watching most closely right now? Let us know in the comments.